Welcome to TechTopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. All right, today we're talking about something that's been turning heads in the home audio space. The THINKYA Bluetooth vinyl record player with speakers. And the big question is this retro-looking turntable actually worth your money, or is it just a pretty decoration? Let's break it down with real numbers. First off, what exactly are you getting here? This is a hi-fi belt drive turntable that supports all three classic speeds, 33 and 1/3, 45 and 78 revolutions per minute. That means whether you've got classic LPs, 7-inch singles, or rare 78 revolutions per minute records sitting in a box somewhere, this machine handles all of them. No swapping units. No limitations. 3 speeds, 3 vinyl sizes, 7, 10, and 12 inches, all covered in one player. Now here's where a lot of people ask, what does belt drive actually mean for my listening experience? Great question. A belt drive system places a rubber belt between the motor and the platter, which physically isolates motor vibrations from your record. The result? Cleaner, warmer, more distortion-free audio. Belt-driven turntables are generally quieter and offer higher fidelity compared to direct drive models. And that's exactly what this player delivers at under $80. And speaking of sound, this unit comes with built-in stereo speakers, so you don't need to buy anything extra to start listening right out of the box. The auto-stop feature is also a standout here. Once your record finishes playing, the tone arm automatically lifts and the platter stops. This auto-stop feature prevents record damage and extends the longevity of your vinyl collection, which is a genuinely smart feature at this price point. Now let's talk about why this thing is so popular. Bluetooth. You can wirelessly pair your smartphone or tablet to stream digital music right through the turntable's built-in speakers. So even on days when you're not in a vinyl mood, your record player doubles as a Bluetooth speaker. And if you want even bigger sound, you can connect via RCA cable to external speakers for even louder, richer audio output. It also has an AUX in port for connecting other audio sources like MP3 players. The design itself is crafted from a mix of wood, metal, and acrylic materials, giving it a retro aesthetic that actually looks like a piece of furniture, not a gadget. It feels like a piece of retro art that belongs on your shelf or coffee table, turning any evening into a private concert. The transparent dust cover keeps your records and platter protected when not in use. Why is this such a popular choice? Because it genuinely bridges the gap between nostalgia and convenience. It delivers impressive value at under $80, making it perfect for beginners entering the world of retro audio. You get 3-speed versatility, built-in speakers, Bluetooth streaming, RCA output, AUX input, auto-stop protection, and a beautiful vintage design, all in a single package. That's a lot of features fighting for your dollar. Whether you're rediscovering your parents' record collection, building your first vinyl setup, or just looking for a thoughtful and stylish gift, this turntable delivers on every front. It's the kind of product that doesn't just sit on a shelf. It gets used, it gets enjoyed, and it makes your space feel a little more alive. Thanks for watching TechTopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.